extra virgin, eh?
Yeah, this one's pretty complete.
What is up, guys? We are back at the junkyard. It's another snowy day here in Manitoba.
Just don't shake it.
Oh, jeez. And there's someone underneath the truck.
And now he's flat.
Holy crap. Look at that.
That's hilarious.
Talking to me?
Well, he just made our intro that much better.
Pull it out.
The neutral safety controller there.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know they glued those stupid connectors into that thing, and I broke it while pulling the harness off my truck.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
So we're looking for a tranny cooler.
There's a P&M filter. Oh, yeah, let's carry on.
Tranny cooler.
Cooler, yeah.
And
Yoke.
a yoke.
But I don't know if I'm going to be able to get one. Oh, look, there's a piss jug right there, man.
Oh, look at that. Piss jug for YouTube.
Look, there's piss jugs in here. You can't have a TV program that shows piss jugs.
No, this one doesn't have one.
A yoke for the 8.8.
Yeah, apparently certain Ford pickups have like a regular yoke, not that flange yoke. But this looks pretty old and it doesn't, so I don't know.
All right.
Might have to buy one.
Got some Triton power here, Mike.
Triton power? Yeah. Mint.
I'm covered in snow. Snow day. And now it's in the junkyard.
We saw this truck cruising with the 24s on it this summer.
It's got fucking flat top. These look like aftermarket pistons too.
What's with the like double
I don't know.
relief deal?
Huh. Things you find at the junkyard.
Yeah, well, you don't come across Pontiac 400s or any kind of Pontiac engine very often at the junkyard,
Let's take it.
let alone a 400 Pontiac.
It just needs a
If it was a 455, I would be taking it.
just needs a ball hone to clean that up.
Yeah, a little dusty.
Cam still looks good.
That's cool. Is that a turbo 350? Yeah, with the Pontiac pattern.
And a TV.
This is cool.
Oh, look at this.
Whole truckload of old school stuff.
Duffy's
Duffy's taxi
Look at
sign.
this.
antifreeze and a paint job.
Co-op antifreeze.
How old is that?
I don't know. What does it say?
Be like American Picture style.
Mm-hmm. Look, the sticker is brand new. This one's also hasn't been fucked with.
Very fresh.
What is it? Can you tell?
5.3.
Where's the airbox cover? Right, look to your
5.3.
5.3.
It's the
Fuse box cover.
It's got a new.
Electrical
It's
center.
got
The electrical center, yeah.
It's got a new water pump, like pretty much brand new water pump on it, and alternator.
Oh yeah.
That water pump looks brand new.
Good parts for the picking.
How would you get the fan off though? might have an issue
Walk
here.
out of here with no friends.
You don't know what you're doing.
But you'd have a fucking water pump. Maybe. You could get it
Probably not.
Got a bit of snow back here.
Full commitment here. Someone took the whole box side off. Outdoing me with my Sawzall. Maybe the bodywork would look good then.
You can't even tell on yours.
Hello. This is a new classic truck to the junkyard. You don't see a lot of classic ones in here usually. It's pretty messed up though. Pretty messed up. Bad gas. Wow. The parts Jeep lives on in another part of the junkyard once again. Classic section here. Snowing pretty good at this point. What Rob is looking for is a yoke that has like the traditional style thing that you'd have, not this bolt to a plate style deal. I'll put a picture so you guys can see. Stripped her all the way down. There you go. I won't have to insert a picture. That's what we're looking for, but of the Ford variety. Instead of that big circle plate thing that they bolt to. Some of you might also know that as a flange.
You're gonna have to flush
shit out good.
Yeah, I just watched a Roadkill Extra. Dulcich said how often people change transmissions and leave the old lines in cooler, and then it just shoots a whole bunch of metallic shit right in the new one.
At the old junkyard, getting some junk.
Junkyard tunes.
Is that snap-on stuff you're using?
Yeah. Snap it on, I snap it off. But this trans cooler looks pretty much exactly like the one I have in my Nova or in the GTO, which is from B&M and costs like $90. Because I have the lines there.
Pre-cut?
Well, I just cut them.
No, we weren't supposed to say that. They're gonna say we destroyed transmission lines now.
Can't we just move this bracket and lift up?
Well, there's lines
They
coming
broke in
off
the
of there.
accident.
Oh, they won't even pivot it off.
No, the way they're bent. I cut them extra long because in case if the ends are wrong, like if the ends coming out of the cooler were wrong, I could still like put a fitting on the end of the line I have left to go do the AN style or something along those lines. It's a nice thick trans cooler. The only thing is I think these lines are kind of like a fuel line fitting line, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then I'd have to get adapters maybe to go to a regular 6AN, but I could also just cut these and put a 6AN flared line on there or something. That's why I cut the lines long. So I might use part of these out of here, but I think that'll work. That's a nice size one. Cool.
Objective 1 complete.
I'm good with that.
It's pretty thin.
I don't know if that would be enough though, you know what I mean? To cool it. Good.
It's a pretty small fan.
Yeah.
Oops. Pretty small front end.
Like I said, I might be stuck with one of those, ordering one of those like 15-inch, you know, skinny fans.
How the fuck? Look at this wheel.
Yeah, I saw
Center, it's fucking cracked.
Wow.
No, is that ground right here?
that. No,
It's cracked here, but it looks
it
ground.
must be
here.
broken. There's the wheel, other half of it right there.
Huh.
Holy.
And then there's another wheel all busted up over there.
Oh yeah, well look, it hit
Well, I
something.
bet you the tractor did that or something.
Maybe. And then look over there's the other one all beat to shit. See this one, it's not an 8.8, I don't think, and it already has a flange. No, I'll just have to buy one. Wow, this place is just full of yours and Clayton's favorite car.
The Aztec?
Pontiac Aztec.
No, it's the vibe.
One?
The Aztec is the car that killed Pontiac.
You love it.
This was their last chance at making a successful vehicle, and they made a refrigerator on wheels.
Not much to say, yeah?
Looks like yours,
Just
the
like,
blue.
just like my Nova.
Strap.
Holy fuck, this thing is mint. Look at it.
Wow. You know it's mint when you just get in and sit in a junkyard car.
That's very clean inside.
It's got 100,000 kilometers on it only.
Look at the back seat. It's
Yeah.
never been sanded.
This thing is
Wow.
other than the headliner.
Should we save it?
What a shame.
Do you need some blue bucket seats for something? Like these bucket seats are like brand new. Look at them.
They'd be kind of good for the S15.
And if I needed them for my truck, like my S10.
Coyote swap it.
Look at this, some kind of pulse wiper thingy. It's got 100,721.
Aftermarket, yeah, wiper delay.
Yeah.
Someone cared for this thing.
What
Yeah,
would
let's
happen?
pop the
Smells
hood
like
and
bad
have a
fuel
look in
inside
this.
of it. Doing a reveal.
Wow. That's crazy. Bad gas. Yeah, that's because it was sitting for a long time. Check out those cool hubcaps on it. Chevy bow ties.
Oh, pretty sure that's the last. Right here.
2 hours later.
Ow, 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 ow. My finger's stuck in
You'd think you'd know where the hood latch is on a Nova, Rob.
Oh yeah, there's
Wow, look at
mouse
that.
turds in there from sitting.
What motor were these?
I mean, this is based on a Toyota or something, I believe. So
Same as like a Tercel or something.
yeah, I think so. Here's some little fans, eh?
That's what you need.
Yeah, that's a shame. Like I said, well, obviously this car was sitting somewhere for a long. I mean, not that it's anything special. It's a 4-door, whatever, but it's in really nice shape considering.
If somebody was restoring one, they needed a interior.
Exactly. Oh yeah, like I said, those front bucket seats, that'd be sweet. Even that driver's side even feels new, like not blown out,
Not farted on.
not farted on. Yeah. Nobody pooped their pants in there.
It wasn't owned by a fat guy.
I brought a box first of all, but it shouldn't because I cut the lines, pretty much pinched them closed. So
$15 the grand total today.
$15, yeah.
Not a bad
That's
deal.
pretty good. Like I said, that's, you know, tranny cooler that size is $80 from B&M.
We're going to Canada's version of Harbor Freight now, the Princess Auto. Ooh, fancy.
Princess Freight.
This location, they have a newer building, so it's all big and nice.
The back.
But yeah, we're gonna go in there and try to find some wiring harness stuff for the S10 build.
Do that too.
These are the same fittings Rob used on the Nova for all the vacuum lines.
And you know what? When I got them for the Nova, I had to order them online because they didn't have any here. I couldn't find them or anything. But at least now they have them.
$13 for the matching blue hose. And
I don't need that much.
fuse boxes are right here if you're looking for those.
That's the kind that you usually buy?
Yeah,
Just this small one?
that little guy, yeah.
$18.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Wow.
Fancy.
Yeah, I used one.
And there's the bigger one up
I use
there.
one like this is like the one I use on my car, a big one, which I didn't really need to use it that big of one, I guess.
Only thing about this one is there's only the one input, so it's either switched or constant, so I make it switched.
Why would you?
So what do you do with the
That's what-
constant one
in
then?
between.
You just use like one of those in line for the 1 or 2 constant connections.
So you're saying you got this and that?
Yeah, one of those just for the constant wire.
Come on, there's got to be a better way.
A different type of fuse block, yeah, but other than that,
For my car, I bought this one originally, and then I brought it home, and then that was my issue, is that it only has constant or key power, right? So then I bought this one because it has, you can put constant key power, whatever you want here. The only problem with this is that it's huge and it has way
And it
more
falls
than
on
I
the ground.
need. Like with my car, I needed a whole bunch, but with the truck, I don't. This one's good because you could use constant power, key power, key power.
you could do it separate, yeah.
Except then you got to use old glass fuses, which I don't want.
No, you definitely don't want it to be too loosey-goosey,
Oh yeah.
bulky looking.
This one's good because this one gets really big. Like this one can stretch out pretty big.
It's nice they have it on the shelf too.
It's like Fox holding a fish.
Wow.
Plastidip
Yeah, but it's only $11.99 a can
for
here.
a reasonable price. Usually in Canada,
Creates a
it's like super expensive.
color shift appearance.
Looks like
Chameleon.
It's like $24, like at Canadian Tire or anything. like that.
$24.
Yeah. And here it's only, mind you, this is only this chameleon stuff. Here's some, I could plastic my car with this.
If we get a Coyote engine, we'll need one of these.
Yeah, you'll need 6 of them.
We'll need 6 of them. Be riding degree wheels like spinners.
Playing the pimp with his pimp cane.
How do you do this? Oh, you got different style too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's just a walking stick.
Clayton in 30 years.
But I also need to get gas for my others.
I think you've got enough gas, sir.
Randy wouldn't like those drill bits. They don't do.
So those drill bits aren't good enough for Randy.
I'm surprised they leave that open. Gonna put a curve in your bag.
And we're back at our FG. Just like that, magically. As if no time has passed at all. But it's about an hour later.
It is. We went to. Oh, no. I guess they know we went to Princess Auto because they were there.
We just spent a
Yeah.
half hour watching a Hoonigan video.
Yeah, we're watching some Hoonigans. They're Just Send It Volume 1. 40 minutes of just burnouts. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Loves a burnout.
Pretty good. We definitely need a setup like they have eventually. But
Yeah, we need a shop.
we're working on that. We'll get there. Along with the merchandise. But anyways, guys, we're gonna end the video here. So make sure to subscribe if you're new. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and share with your friends, and leave a comment.
Check you later.
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 Check you later. Check you later.
Old cool Clayton.
Let me know.
Can never say check you later. Just says
Oh
later.
my God. What am I checking later?
Just checking you later.
Just later. People just say later.
I say I'd like check you later.
You? That's your thing.
Check you later.
Come on.
Check you later.
That's your thing.
Sure. All right.
Bye.
That's the way she goes. That's the way she goes.
That's right. That's the way she goes. That's what I said. The way she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes it doesn't. She didn't go. That's the way she goes.
Well, I guess we're going the fuck home then.